Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your T-Mobile 5G home internet is running slow or giving you connection issues, it can be really frustrating, especially when you expect fast speeds but end up dealing with buffering, lag, or dropped connections. Since this service relies on cellular signals instead of traditional wired internet, factors like signal strength, placement, network congestion, and device settings can all affect performance. The tricky part is that everything might look connected, but the speed still isn't where it should be. The good thing is that most of these issues can be improved or fixed with a few simple adjustments. Once you go through the right steps, you can often boost your speed and stabilize your connection without any complicated setup. Try these. Step 1. Place your gateway near a window for better signal reception. Step 2. Restart your T-Mobile gateway to refresh the connection. Step 3. Check signal strength and try different locations in your home. Step 4. Reduce the number of connected devices using bandwidth. Step 5. Make sure you're using the correct Wi-Fi band. Step 6. Update firmware or reset the gateway if issues continue.